This pair of Saxon cross shafts are inside the Church of St Mary's and St Barlock at Norbury near Ashbourne, which is another in the manors of Henry de Ferris, as I've mentioned before. Now, these two cross shafts were found at the end of the 1900s during a restoration, and they were built into the foundations of one of the buttresses, and they were originally displayed at the entrance of the church, but they've since been brought into the church to preserve them from weathering, which confused me when I turned up and they weren't there. Now, they're both thought to date from around the 9th century, and they feature traditional Saxon knotwork pattern carving. They're both made from sandstone, roughly about 5 foot high, and one of the shafts is highly decorated with interlacing patterns. Best of all is this odd looking figure on the panel. Now, a lot of people think it's St Barlock, but he was a Celtic saint and not an Anglo Saxon, so it's a bit confusing. And it does look more like a warrior than a saint. Another very old feature in the church is the font. It's dated to around 1200. The bowl is quite simple, but it stands on a nicely carved base of clustered shafts. The church actually displays a wealth of medieval artwork and architecture, and it's said to be its crowning glory is its rare grisaille stained glass window in the chancel, dated from 1306. Also, there's alabaster tombs that are also noted to be amongst the finest in the country. The alabaster is from Chellaston, and the craftsman from Nottingham, I think.